Thank you.
Behind the pilots.
Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepted.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Oh ho ho ho, right.
Ooh, all right. On the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Oh, watch it.
Alright, there we go.
Flying this thing will be easy, eh? Speed. Yes, yes, keep shooting. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Okay, it's much worse. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something. Shoot the train.
Yep.
Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Oh!
Hit the boosters.
Boots! Here!
Let's get out of here.
Right there.
Great job, my friends. You retrieved and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Brutal, alright.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well,